Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we will see something more about India. What makes India a special and a different country from others. And if you missed our previous video, check that out one first, link in the I button. A lot of you who have watched our previous video must be thinking, why didn't I mention about Taj Mahal? Well, I kept that for an even special video. The Taj Mahal of Agra is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It was started to build in 1632 and took 22 years to complete. If you had something knowledge about Indian history, Shah Jahan built this monument to remember his wife Mumtaz Mahal. There is a fun fact regarding the Taj Mahal. Some common people try to fakely sold this monument as their property but end up in a jail. As we all know, India is the second largest populated country. Around 73,000 births of children happen every day in India. As per the reports, India's half population is under the age of 25. India alone had more people than the entire Western countries. Today, mobile and internet is the best companion for all of us. In India, talk time and internet rate packs is very cheap as compared to others. You can easily share your experience frequently without increasing your budget. As we already talked about Indian food in the previous video, let me remind you the food of India is not only delicious but it is very cheap also. Approx in $2-3 you can have your whole meal with chicken or other meat. Tea in India, which is popular as chai, doesn't cost you more than 20 cents. Everyone now is very engaged in sports, and sports in India is very common and popular and played by youths, especially cricket. Cricket in India is not only a game, but it's also a religion and an emotion for cricket lovers. Kabaddi is one of the most popular sports game in India. It is played orthodoxly in many regions in India, but especially in small towns and villages as a part of fun and adventure. Let's talk about the rivers in India. India has 5 major rivers such as Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Kaveri and Brahmaputra. Ganga is the largest and the longest river in India. It is also worshipped as a holy river in India. There are a lot of festivals celebrated in India almost every day. But let's take Holi today. Holi is the festival of colors. It is celebrated in the month of March after the winter season. People play and enjoy with color powder and water mixed with it. Everyone celebrates Holi together in a spectacular display of good humor and lots of color. Color plays an important role in Indian culture, starting with the traditional dresses, saris or even the currency. Yes, there are various types of colors are present in Indian currency respectively to their prices. As a matter of fact, it is illegal to take Indian currency out of the country. You have to exchange the currency when you return back to your home. India is also known for its beauty and the people faces. There are a lot of lovable and beautiful faces around the world. In fact, India has the highest number of winners for Miss World competition with the total number of 6. The most recent Miss World of India is Manushi Chillar, who won in 2017. Apart from that, India also has Miss Universe title and Miss Asia Pacific title. India has long been associated with mathematics. In fact, it was Aryabhatta and Ramanujan, who 2 famous mathematicians from India, who first brought light to the concept of zero. Even algebra, trigonometry and calculus also originated in India. The Indian language Sanskrit is the most ancient and the oldest language in the world. Did you know until 1896 India is the only source of diamond in the world? Don't go anywhere. The reason why India is special and different from other countries is not finished yet. We will come back in another video. So stay tuned with us and also subscribe to the channel so you will get that video quickly. Also hit the like button if you are amazed with these facts, and if you like the idea, and say with me, Jai Hind.